Let's talk about product of vectors. So in vector product we have dot product and cross product. This gives direction and this gives no direction. So let's start with dot product. Let's A and B two vector. Then what will be the dot product? Dot product will be A dot B equal to mod A mod B cos theta. And let's see, let's A equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap, and B equal to bx I cap plus boy j cap plus bz k cap. Then A dot B equal to ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. And we have 3 unit vector, orthogonal 3 unit vector I cap, j cap, k cap. What will be the dot product in between them? Like I cap dot I cap equal to j cap dot j cap equal to k cap dot k cap equal to 1, and I dot j equal to j dot I equal to j dot k equal to 0. So what will be the projection of A on B? This is projection of vectors A on B vector. It will be A vector dot B cap or A vector dot B vector by B. What this means? This means value of A vector, value of A vector along vector B. And what will be the projection of A vector on A vector? It will be the simply opposite, that is B vector dot A cap or B vector dot A vector by mod A vector. So let's talk about the application of dot product. Application of dot product in calculation of work done, which is W equal to F dot D. Then projection calculation, projection A vector dot B cap or vector dot and we can also calculate the angle between two vectors. Now let's talk about the cross product. The cross product of A and B vector will be A into B sin theta n cap. And what will be the direction of n cap? N cap will be like, if A vector is along x direction and A vector is along y direction, then n cap will be along z direction. if you close your right hand palm along if you close your right hand palm along a vector to b vector, then the z vector will give the a cross b vector direction, which is in cap. Let's a vector equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap, and b vector equal to bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Then a cross b will be like this: I cap j cap k cap, x ay az bx by bz. What cross product can do? Cross product, it can measures the rotational tendency. We can also calculate torque, angular momentum, and area vector. Now let's talk about the scalar triple product. We can consider a vector, b vector, and c vector. The scalar triple product will be like this, or a, b, c, and the calculation will be very easy like this. The value will be the determinant of three vectors: x, ay, az, bx, by, bz, and cx, cy, cz. Then we can also get a vector dot b vector cross c vector will be same as c dot a cross b will be same as b dot c cross a. Like, you can rotate them in one direction like this without breaking the orientation, like a, b, c equal to c, a, b, and if we change one of them, like position interchange, it will give a minus, like a, c, b. What will be the physical meaning? So physical meaning, we will get the volume of a parallelepiped. Like, if this is the a vector, this is the b vector, this is the c vector, then ABC will give us the volume. If the volume is 0, like if this is 0, then B, C, it is 0. That means these three are coplanar vector. That means they are in the same plane. Now let's talk about the vector triple product. The formula will be like this: A cross B cross C equal to B into A dot C minus C into dot B, and if A cross B into C, then it will be B into A dot C minus A into B dot C. Let's talk about the direction cosines. This is x, y, z. Let's A be a vector whose angle which x direction is alpha, y direction is beta, and z direction is gamma. Then the direction cosines of a vector will be L equal to cos alpha, M equal to cos beta, and N equal to cos gamma. It gives the ratio at which if we add I cap, j cap and k cap, we get the parallel vector of a vector. So like this, if L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1, the direction cosines, if we square them and add, it always give the unity. Now let's do some questions. Like in this question we have a unit vector, that is n cap, in xy plane, which is making an angle of 120 degree with respect to the I cap. So the x component will be cos 120 degree and y component will be sin 120 degree. So what will be the n cap? N cap will be the cos 120 degree I cap plus sin 120 degree j cap, that is minus half I cap plus root 3 by 2 j cap. Then here we are given two vectors, that is u and v. In between angle is 60 degree. So what will be the u vector? The vector will be a I cap plus b n cap equal to a I cap plus b into minus half I cap plus root 3 by 2 j cap. Solution will be a minus half I cap plus root 3 by 2 into b j cap. And for u vector is given a n cap plus b I cap. A n cap plus b I cap equal to a into minus half I cap, this will be b by 2 plus root 3 by 2 j cap plus b I cap equal to b minus a by 2 I cap plus root 3 by 2 a j cap. Then u dot v will be mod u into mod v cos theta, and theta will be 60 degree. Then from this mod u will be a minus b by 2 square plus root 3 by b square into b minus a by 2 square plus 3a square by 4 into cos theta, that is cos 60 equal to half. From this vector will be b square plus squared by 4 minus ab, and this will be plus 3 square by 4, which means square plus square minus ab, and this will become square plus b square by 4 minus ab plus 3b square by 4, that will be again square plus b square minus ab. So if we multiply these two terms and take the root, it will become half of, this is the half, square plus b square minus ab. And again if we do u dot v, it will become like this: a minus b by 2 I cap plus 3b by 2 j cap, 3b by 2 j cap root 3 dot, then v vector is the b minus a by 2, b minus a by 2 I cap plus root 3 a by 2 j cap. Their dot product will be ab, we are multiplying this term and this term, ab plus ab by 4 minus square by 2 minus b square by 2, and then multiply this and this, that is plus 3ab by 4 equal to half of 2 into, this will be 4ab plus ab, and this will be again 3ab minus square minus b square. This will be total 8ab, so half of minus square minus b square plus 4ab. Then we can see this term and this term will be equal, that is a square plus b square minus ab equal to minus a square minus b square plus 4ab. From this we can get 2a square plus 2b square minus 5ab equal to 0. So let's solve the equation, that is 2 square minus 4ab minus ab plus 2b square to 0, that is 2a common, a square minus 2b minus b into a minus 2b equal to 0, that is 2a minus b into a minus 2b to 0, that is 2a equal to b or a equal to 2b. So from this we can say b equal to a by 2, right? So this is b equal to a by 2, the right option. Now for the next question, we have to simplify the b vector. Next, let's simplify the b vector. B vector equal to I cross a cap cross I cap plus j cap cross j cap plus k cap cross a cap cross k cap. So from the rules of vector cross triple product, we know it will be b into a dot c minus c into a dot b. From this we can get I cap cross a cap cross I cap equal to a cap into I cap dot I cap minus I cap into cap dot I cap. So if we have, let's see, a cap equal to x I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap, then we can get this will be x and this will be 1, which will be a cap, or we can say this is a vector minus ax I cap. Similarly for j cap into a cap cross j cap will be a vector minus ay j cap, and similarly k cap cross k cap will be a vector minus az k cap. So if we sum this 3 times, we will get 3a minus x I cap minus y j cap minus az k cap, which will be the again a vector, that will be 2a vector. So the answer will be simply 2a. Now for the next question, we have the 3 vector ABC where b and c are not parallel, such that a cross b cross c equal to root 3 by 3 by 2 into c. So let's write it, a cross b cross c equal to b into a dot c minus c into a dot b equal to root 3c by 2. So from this, only this time we had the c, so this will be equal to 0, and it will be, from this we can get a dot b equal to minus root 3 by 2, which is cos theta equal to minus root 3 by 2, as a and b both are unit vectors. Then theta equal to 150 degree, and from this the angle between a and c is 90 degree, as dot product is 0. Then the pair will be correct like this.